What if one simple drink could support your lungs, help your body feel lighter, and even improve your skin? Sounds like too much for one cup, right? But sometimes the simplest habits create the biggest changes. If you often feel low on energy, deal with heaviness or bloating, if you smoke or used to smoke, then listen carefully. That constant cough, the heaviness in your chest, the low energy, that's your body asking for help. But what if I told you there's one simple drink you can make at home, and this drink is powerful because of what goes into it? Start with fresh ginger. It helps clear mucus and opens up your airways, so you can breathe a little easier. Next, add turmeric. This is nature's anti-inflammatory. Now, a small but powerful ingredient, clove. It fights toxins and helps your body eliminate harmful substances. Here's how to make the drink. Boil 1 glass of water. Add crushed ginger, a pinch of turmeric, 2 cloves, and 1 or 2 teaspoon cumin seeds. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Turn off the heat and strain it. And once it's warm, add fresh lemon juice. Drink this once daily, preferably in the morning. Will this magically fix everything? No, but it helps your body recover, detox, and absolutely breathe better over time. Start small. Start today. Follow for more simple, powerful health habits, because your body deserves better.